Let's go. Let's go. I've been in a work, bro. Quite loud. Let me know if it gets noisy. My dog playing. No. Pretty much the market's having a reaction worry about Trump's speech that might affect the market have an emotional reaction. Trump wrote on Truth Social Thursday that Iran is doing a poor job of allowing oil flow through Strait of Hormuz. Tanker transit through Strait of Hormuz remain so far. Price increased up around $85 per barrel. Potentially go back to $96. It's past that. It's around $98 right now. Damn. That about me what? Move a week. Chip, what? Can you tell what market, what phase is the market in right now for the oil? So it's 4 different phases. If you've been watching my live, you will know. I'll give you some time to answer. One. Trump just announced on Twitter saying that if you input the third world, you become the third world. I'm not sure if that's related to immigrants invading America or escalation related for Trump about Iran being too friendly with other countries, which was peace. That's how it's supposed to be. But he wants full control. For full control, that would mean benefit of how he can manipulate the market to his favor. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I can see your questions from the chat. Let me know. Right now, it's just pretty much doing an analysis on what's happening so far with Tokyo Asian opening. On the Asian Open, it pumped liquidity, made money from taking money. Price did show any signs of potential for being broken. Don't make sense. Not really. We just started the analysis, so feel free if you have any questions. Right now, we are having the rage. On the higher time frame, it looks like a potential continuation pattern. Since the market already this morning and last night. That's okay. Take your time. You will get used to it. It may feel like it looks like a lot, but if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. I will have a solid opportunity in entry. Yellowish, greenish line, you say? You talking about the yellow line within the green box, or what? I mean, if you want me to help you out, I need. Can you be a little bit more specific? You talking about that yellow line? I took off the color so it's easier to see. Okay. That's the indicator, volume weighted average price. It shows the rate of supply and demand for the volume based on price action lately, specific number of price action previously. Overall, for me, it shows who's in control, the buyers or the sellers. So right now, yeah, pretty much the market's having a bullish momentum as Iran and Trump are getting closer to potential de-escalation from the war. If Trump and the market remain silent for a little bit while, we potentially see the price behave normally and go for the higher high. To confirm that, we need to see a breakout. If the supply of the demand is too strong, it will look like that. We're not really here to predict, just to analyze and see what's going on. Be ready for a London or New York opportunity to trade. Who went to the gym today? Who showed up? Who did the workout? I did my chest. Feels good. Man, I'm wearing a sweatshirt. You can't even see it, bro. Yeah! It's so small. Gotta keep showing up. Now, let's go. Let's go. One person did. The Federal rates went high over 3.0 this morning, 4.3 this morning. That beautifully looks like a manipulation, a break, and a retest. Change of character. Price for the Fed rate is holding right under 4.3. It's around 4.289. Concern it may go for a higher high. Dollar did the opposite this morning. It's pulled back for the higher high, was a bit weak, then boom, it dropped. That drop was pretty much mitigation because price right now for dollars going up. It's holding around $98 right now, 98. The market's a little bit like for the oil, it's like, hold up, hold up, hold up. After Trump's speech came out, if the market is still quiet, then they'll take it as, oh, okay, just Trump saying shit. Okay. It should be fine. Risk appetite will grow. And that's when the market potentially should keep going up for the assets. Assets will breathe and pump its own money. Having a trading or trading, all of that is psychological. You want to know what you're doing. To know what you're doing, well, you got to join the community. We show people the way. To understand the market, it's just simply understand what the money trying to tell you. The behavior. Every behavior you see or read is pretty much a sign for something else so you can use that to prepare. Like I said, I'm just pretty much doing an analysis, preparing myself for opportunity tomorrow, see what the market can potentially look like later. Go did a break and retest out of the range. That's the range. It broke out. Tap the imbalance, then it pulled down, retest it after a change of character for a 1 hour time frame. It hasn't passed the range lower or inside of it. It's not. It's holding above it. So the question is it potentially targeting to fill the imbalance? If it is filling up the imbalance, that's a good sign because that's potential opportunity to trade up. For those who trade oil, I don't trade oil. I use oil as a stress meter to tell me if the market's stressing or it's bracing. The world breathes and everything's in relief, and asset usually blows up when oil pulls down, meaning inflation, price, everything gets cheaper. Hint, hint, hint is there. If everything gets cheaper, what does that look like for smart money? They want to buy more. It's about positioning and reading the pattern and getting yourself ready to be riding with smart money. Because too many times people trade it against smart money. We all want that. So, to understand the game is to get serious. To get serious is to understand what the candlestick is trying to tell you and what the structure is giving you right now. What's the narrative of the market? How are they feeling? What's their behavior? How are they acting? When you align those information together with a step-by-step structure, boom, you have a system that makes the money work for you. That's why it's important to make sure you're showing up daily, trying to understand the game, see how I analyze the market, get myself ready, and prepare for the opportunity. Everything's supposed to be what? Emotionless, detached. You're staying detached from a process. Literally, I've been saying it again, again, again. You just want to understand the game. Let's go! One of a student within the community. Literally, after I swear, he just joined the community. He had only one or two, I think it's probably just one-on-one mentorship so far for about 2 hours. We got into it. He asked so many questions. Yo, stop asking. Okay, okay, okay. He's trying to learn. He's practicing. He's understanding. Boom. So results so far. He's picking up the pattern and understanding the chart itself and how to read it. Let's go. Congratulations. Keep going. Lock in. You will get there. Another student was trading gold that looks like gold. It's hard to tell. The light's in the way. She was paper trading. She just joined about 2 or 3 months ago. Got serious a little bit to trade. Trying to get used to it before she tried real money. She want to have a system. So far, she's a swing trader. She's aiming to become a swing trader. She's understanding the chart the more she's showing up. Proof right there that everyone can do it. By everyone, man, I'm talking about deaf and hard of hearing. Why? Trading, it's emotional. Because it's emotional, don't you think deaf and hard of hearing can read emotions better? Because we're emotional beings using a language that shows your humanity. Yeah. So that gives us the privilege of having the ability to read emotions better. Crypto specialist, my brother, trader, with my strategy, break out outside of the range for swing trading, beautiful trading stocks. Nash 100. He's been working with me for a while, so he pretty much have the ability to raise the market. He reacted so liquidity that was sitting, guaranteed to be swept. Reason of entry, he explained his entry. He explained his stop loss. He explained his potential target of liquidity. He answered those three questions. If you see my social media posts, I asked three questions recently. And that will make you a true biz trader. I am seeing some good opportunity for range trading. Sweeping the liquidity, breakout, no confirmation, just wait on that. But I trade liquidity to liquidity, so therefore I do see an opportunity, potential re-entry if price pullback. Potential move. We'll see what happens. I'm not here to predict, just here to read. My system prepare myself for opportunity, and you guys are here just see and study my mental framework. My emotions are not involved. I'm detached. I'm literally applying my technical analysis over 5 years of experience. To understand the game is to understand what you are trying to do and use that. Use that to make sure yourself is on the way to using a repeatable pattern. And this repeatable pattern will lead to your success on the way. Guaranteed. Okay. Woo! Bitcoin's having a beautiful price reaction right now. Price created imbalance. So I wait for the system to set. If you've been trading for a while, you know what traders tend to do. They see a good move. They get excited. The emotions are involved. They feel like they might miss the opportunity. They're forcing a trade. They're forcing a trade instead of being systematic. You're following your own plan. The structure, the rules, what's happening aligning yourself with smart money. Because smart money takes dumb money. And you don't want to be dumb money because dumb money or liquidity itself. Trading, I'm telling you, man, 5 years of experience, I'm telling you, it's hella psychological. It's hella psychological. What do I mean by that? It's like you're playing chess with the market itself. But I can't really say chess if you're supposed to align yourself with smart money. Therefore, wrong example. After the money gets swept, two things that can happen after that. Continuation or it's back inside the rage. I usually let myself align with the market macro regime and see what's happening. Okay, I can see and sense the emotion that's happening within. Nah, not every trade is worth to trade. I prefer to trade when I am a session based liquidity trader and I prefer to trade when the session just open because usually the best setup is around there. Then after that, about an hour later, the market gets volatile, volatile, because the market gets cloudy because too many people are participating. Activities are happening, buying and selling and all that. While that is happening, sessions when Asians open, when Tokyo opens, what Tokyo and Asians, both same thing. Anyway, Tokyo, London, and New York. When those three opens, there's an engineering liquidity that's happening right now, meaning they're already prepared itself to make the reaction that people thought it would happen. Then thank you. Why? It takes so many because they think you the market will actually do that. It didn't. Now, boom. The market's not going your way. Ah, it keep reversing on me. Yeah, that's what I mean by retail trader, dumb money. We, me, including myself. I'm a dumb money trader. However, every time I'm following my rules, being systematic, being aligned with the macro regime, I'm aligning myself, a dumb money trader, aligning myself with smart money trading positions. So therefore, I will win more than I will ever lose. Thankfully, it's because of the work I've been putting in, the boring work. I showed up, I studied as much as I can to get the ability. Now, I'm free. You guys do the same thing too. if the price does pull back, I would see my setup and I would take the opportunity for a scalp buy to the liquidity at the top. However, it's higher confirmation with for liquidity sweep main reversal back inside the range, then boom. It should target the support level. That's why I said 2. 2 can happen right now. Gold broke out of the range. Now trying to see if it's confirmed. Wait. Yeah. It broke out of the range at the lower. If price keep holding around that level, it's potentially going up. But if it doesn't, mean reversal going back inside the range, potentially have a selling opportunity to the liquidity low. It's been closed since New York sessions closed, so I can't really see the clear risk appetite coming in or out of the market. But however, SP 500 price action of the candlestick says otherwise. Still inside the range. Yep, still inside the range. So the best opportunity is the support and resistance. Yeah, the support and resistance. Yeah, the resistance and support. Yeah, okay. I'm going to be a little bit goofy when I'm bored. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Just showing my analysts to see what's happening with the market so far. Not much to say. Not much. Not much. Despite or like the news. The news literally just news good. There's news coming out saying Bitcoin reclaimed 72, 73,000. Like, bro, it reclaimed that not. Like, price decides to explode going up at 9:30 in the morning. It broke out of the range at 9:30 in the morning. The news is the excuse. If I were trading Bitcoin, this would be my buying opportunity. I can see the distribution clearly then. Markdown accumulator. Now, we need clear confirmation that the price will continue being bullish for Bitcoin, or rebalance itself and go lower for creating mitigation pattern. Phase 1, 2, 3. This could be phase 3 distribution. That mark down confirm. How would I call it? Mark down if it's still respected the support area. Yeah, sure. It's swept the liquidity, the equal lows. But it's just back inside the range when the volume increased a bit. Not much is happening. So, yes, the news isn't skewed so far for it. What matters is having the ability to read and understand the chart itself and using that to find yourself a repeatable edge and turn it to your opportunity. Boom. SRP is getting cheaper. I'm gonna buy more. Okay, let's go. It's this close to hitting my instead of having hit. And then the enforced trade, trading, patient game. No, that's it. Anybody have questions? Anybody have questions? Start playing. Tap in the community. I'll be posting potential opportunities. Let's go. Tap in, build the skill, understand the chart, the money, how it works, make it into your repeatable pattern, the system. Boom! You're free for life, making the money work for you. Let's go. Good night. Lock in tomorrow morning, 8, 9. Depends on the market's reaction and the behavior. Let's go. Good news. Tomorrow's Friday, 7:30. Perfect. We go live tomorrow at 8 in the morning. 7:30 we have employment change, unemployment rate, core CPI. Go opportunity. Let's go. Let's make money tomorrow morning. Let's get it. I see you guys there. Peace out. Thank you for showing up. Keep going. Let's go.